Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel. Please guys subscribe करो because बहुत मेहनत लगता है इस वीडियो को बनाने में. So let's start the video. In today's video, I will discuss about the polymorphism in Python. So let's start the video. What is polymorphism? Definition. The polymorphism means many forms. The word comes from two Greek words. One is a poly and the second one is a morph. The poly means many and the morph means forms. In Python, polymorphism allows the same method, function, or operator to perform different tasks depending on the object or data type. So, in simple words, there is a one interface, many implementation. The example like a run code. When we run the code, we can say that the run that code. And the if second one is a when we want to run as a person, we can say that the run athlete. So there is a in there is a two condition we in the same name like a run code run athlete same name but different work that is like that. So real example, think of a person can be a student in at a college and the employee at a work, a customer in a shop. So एक आदमी है जो कॉलेज में एक स्टूडेंट है and the when he comes to his workplace, he is an employee and अगर मतलब वो कभी दुकान में जाएगा तो वो एक कस्टमर है उस शॉप का. So the same person performs different roles depending on the situation. Similarly, in Python, the same method behaves differently for different objects. So first is a built-in function polymorphism. Print length Python. Len is a length function where it helps to define the length of the word whatever. So Python have a six letters. So there is a output is a six, and the second one is a one, two, three, four, four letters. So four output, and the 10, 23, three letters. So three. Explanation: the same function len function works with the string list tuple, but it gives different result. This is the polymorphism. I hope so. You understand what is polymorphism. Advantages of polymorphism: easy to understand, code reusability. We can reuse the code again and again. Flexibility, easy maintenance, better readability, extensible programs. So interview questions. What is a polymorphism? So interview must ask about the OOPS concept, and in the OOPS concept, this is the important concept polymorphism. So please focus on it and learn it detail. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means one interface with multiple implementations. The same method or function behaves differently depending on the object or data type. Why is polymorphism used? Second question. It improves flexibility, code reusability, readability, maintainability. And the third one is what are the types of polymorphism? There are two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism, and the second one is a runtime polymorphism, like a method overriding. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like the button and subscribe the channel. Please support me, guys. Thank you so much.